Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing a super adorable axolotl. It's gonna be quick and easy, so come join us for the step-by-step. Hello everyone! All right, let's get started with drawing our axolotl. First thing we're gonna do is draw its head. It's gonna be a boy, and I wanna color it green, I think. But let's get started, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve for the top of the head like a rainbow. Just like that, and then we're gonna curve in a little bit for his head like this, and then we're gonna curve back out for his cheeks. And I'm gonna come over and I'll stop somewhere there. And we're gonna copy that same design on the left side. Cool. I left this little space. We're just gonna leave it. We're not gonna close off his head. We can continue and we could do a curve for his body. So from the bottom of his face, I'm gonna make a curve that goes down, and we're gonna round it just a little bit. Just like this, and I'll copy that same design on the left side. I came over, I made a little point just so I know where to stop. Cool, so there we have his body, and we could continue, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve that looks like an oval on its side. So what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna turn the paper just a little bit. And for this oval, we're not gonna close it. So what I should do is I should start at the bottom, and I'm gonna go around and make an oval. Wow. And I'll stop somewhere there. So it kind of looks like the letter C, and we're gonna copy that same design. This is a backwards C. On the left side, and on the left side it'll look like a regular C. So there we have our regular letter C, and why we did this is because we're gonna separate his foot to his leg. His legs are gonna be like bunched up. But what we could do now, just so we can know and have a face to our little axolotl, we'll draw his face. So what we're gonna do is right in the middle of his face towards the bottom, I'm gonna make a curve, almost like a frown. No, he's sad, but he's not. So let's make a nice smiley face. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big smiley face connecting to the sad face. There we go, our axolotl is happy. What we could do is to continue with the details, we could make a curve that goes up from this point on both sides. And we're gonna draw a curve that goes through most of his mouth for his tongue. There we have our axolotl smiling. And what we could do is super simple for his eyes. We're gonna do a curve like a rainbow. I'm gonna do one on the right and one on the left. Oh, look how happy he looks. I love this. So now we can continue, and what I meant was his feet are gonna be like bunched up. So what we're gonna do is from this side, we're gonna continue and we're gonna do his toes. So if I was to continue the oval, I'm actually gonna curve in to make a toe, and I made it like a hook. And from this hook or from this toe, I'm gonna go up with a taller mountain, and then I'm gonna do a smaller one that connects to the side of the oval. Cool, there we have his foot, and here we have his leg that's like curled up. Cool little details. We'll copy the same design on the left side. So we did our hook, and then we'll do the two other toes. Oh, and I'll drop this down just a little bit more. So his feet are curled up, and he is super happy. What we could do next is we could close off his body, and what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make a curve from the bottom or the heel of his foot to connect to the other heel of his foot. And I'm just gonna turn my paper to make it easier for me. Cool, there we have his body. And then what we could do next are his arms, and he's gonna be waving at us. He's super happy to see us. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come down from his side a little bit, and I'm gonna make a curve that goes up, and we're gonna draw a thumb. So I did a curve, and then I did a thumb that looks like a mountain. We could turn the paper, and we could draw 3 more fingers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my paper, and I'm gonna draw 3 fingers. Here I'm gonna make a loop as well, and I'm gonna do 2 more. There we have his fingers. He's waving at us. He's super happy. And then from here, what we could do is we could curve up just a little bit to do the detail of like his wrist. And then we'll curve back down, and we're gonna do a curved line that connects back to his body. Hello everyone! Please like and subscribe. Let's do that same design on the left side. Well, here what I did was I did 2 little points just so I know that the arm is the same width, and I'll do the same design. So there we have his arm. I messed up a little bit, but hopefully when I colored in, you guys can't really tell. So let's continue, and what we could do is we could do his tail. So what we're gonna do is, from his foot, I'm gonna make a curve that goes out to the left. And then from here, I'm gonna dip up like a mountain just a little bit, and I'm gonna go out to a point. From this point, I'm just gonna come up and return back to the body. There we have the outside of his tail, and we can outline or do the design inside of his tail, and we're just gonna copy almost the same design. There we have the little detail. And then from here, we could do his gills. So what we're gonna do is long loops or like long ovals, and we're gonna do 3 on each side. So I'm gonna start right in the middle where we did that little curve in his head, and I'm gonna come up, make a loop, and then go back down to his head. There we have one right in the middle. I'm gonna do one right on his cheek, and then I'm gonna do one right at the top of his head. I'm gonna copy that same design on the left side. So there we have the inside part of his gills. It looks super silly right now, but he looks so happy. And then we could do the little outside fringy parts of his gills. So that's gonna kind of look like flames or fire. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the one in the middle. I'm gonna leave some space, I'm gonna come over, and I'm gonna make almost as if I was making a loop. Kind of looks like a hook or a candy cane. And then from the top of the peak, I'm gonna come up again, and I'm just gonna hook down. I'm gonna do one more and hook back down, and then we're gonna have one right directly in the middle. So I'm gonna come up and I'm gonna curve towards the top of the paper, and I'm gonna return right back down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy these 3 on the left side. So instead of pointing to the left, we're gonna point to the right. So there we have one. It kind of looks like flames. It looks super cool. And we're gonna do the same design on the top one and on the bottom. I'm gonna do a little less or a little bit more. So on this one particularly, I'm just gonna do 2. So I'm gonna do 2, one flame here and then one right in the middle. So in the middle, I'm just gonna come up with a V, right in the middle, right above, and I'm gonna curve down, and then I'm gonna come up with a point and then just curve right to the head. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just opposite for the left side. Cool. The top one, I'm gonna do 3 on this right side and then 2 on the left side. I'm just being particular, but you guys could do however many you want. So I did one right in the middle that looks like the top of a triangle. I'm gonna do one here, and then I'm gonna do 2 more. And then on the left side, I'm just gonna do 2. So I'm gonna drop down really low, and then I'll just do 1 more. Look how cool that looks. And then we're gonna copy the same design on the left side. And there we have it, guys. Look, there we have our axolotl. I think he looks super adorable. His legs are like bunched up. He's super happy to see us. And now, guys, let's get to the fun part. What we're gonna do is we're gonna color him in, grab whatever crayons, whatever markers, whatever color pencils you have, and let's get to coloring. All right, guys, and here we have it. Here we have our axolotl. I think he looks so adorable. I used 3 different greens, one for the base of his skin, and then like little patches in between his crest of his leg and his foot, on his fins. I did little dots, I did little rosy cheeks, and this drawing was super fun for me. I hope you guys had fun as well. If you want to see more cool drawings of cartoons or just animals, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for participating. Bye, guys.